Okay, in this problem we have 0. There we have x is greater than 0, y is greater than x, and all of these are less than 1. And in quantity, or rather column A, we have 1 minus y, and in column B we have y minus x. Now, a good idea, of course, is to plug in, come up with your own values, but sometimes I like to simplify these two sides. And I see here both sides have a y. I see this negative y, so I think, hey, if I add a y here, I can get rid of the y, so we're just left with 1 in column A. Now, if I add a y to this side, I'm going to get 2y. And so now I have 2y minus x in column B. Now, from a plugging in standpoint, if I come up with a number for y that's, of course, less than 1, let's say 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Now you can see that, oh, these are exact numbers. That is, they're the same, but what's going to happen is I'm going to have this minus x, which has to be greater than 0. So you can see that now column B is going to become less than column A because I'm subtracting it by some positive number. However, who says we have to make y over here 1/2? What if we made it closer to 1? Let's say 3/4. So 2 times 3/4 would give you 1.5. Now, if x is really small, like 1/10 or anything, or whatever it may be, it's not going to get us all the way down to 1. So 1.5 minus, let's speak in decimal terms. Your 0.1, you get down to 1.4, so suddenly column B is bigger. So when you see that switch, that is, if in one instance column A is bigger, you try to disprove that, then you show that column B is bigger, the answer is boom.